could it be true? Zac Efron to join the cast of the upcoming Hangover sequel? We'll share the latest info with you. That's all up next on Clevver TV. It's time for a little movie news. I'm your host, Jocelyn Davis, and you're watching Clevver TV. So first things first. Bradley Cooper is confirming that yes, there will in fact be a sequel to the uber successful movie The Hangover. The entire cast, including Mike Tyson, hit the Golden Globes, where the film won big, taking home the award for Best Comedy or Musical. Shooting is set to get started in the fall, and rumors are already swirling about a new cast member, namely Zac Efron. On the red carpet at the Globes, Justin Bartha, who is one of the stars of The Hangover, seems like he'd love to have Zac on the cast. Bartha says that he loves the guy and that he's actually really funny. So what does Zac think about the whole deal? Well, the 22-year-old says he hasn't gotten the call to do the movie, that it would be amazing, and he loves the cast they've got going on. At this point, there's no true to the Zac Efron Hangover story, but maybe you guys can change all that. So go ahead and leave us a video comment letting us know why you think Zac should join the cast in the second installment. That was your Movie World Update. I'm Jocelyn Davis, reminding you to follow us on Twitter. That's @ClevverTV. And of course, go ahead and head over to clevvertv.com for more entertainment exclusives. Thanks for watching. Bye.